Hello everyone, welcome to the Boss Jobs channel. Today I'm going to introduce you a new torch, BS25S torch. For this one you can repair aluminum car and a steel car, and for this torch we have built-in ground cable, so you don't need to use earth clamp or welding your earth. You can use chalk with aluminum stud to welding the stud on aluminum car for aluminum car then repair. And you can use the slide hammer or the tap shooter to welding and repairing on steel car. Of course, you can use this edge puller to repair a small dent. For this machine, it's a dual function machine. We suggest you to work with this torch. So you can use one torch, one machine to repair a steel car and aluminum car. And for this machine, you can choose a single phase 110 volt or 220 volt or 230 volt version. And you can use a home used power plug to have a power supply of the machine. You don't need industrial breaker or power socket. And you can extend the input cable 10 meters or 20 meters. It will not affect your output power. So it's a very useful power electricity friendly machine. For this machine you can choose different function, and the system will give you different power level. For example, now I choose aluminum stud welding. The system give me a power level level 8, and if I want, I can adjust the power lower or higher, and I can save the data, save the parameter. And we have the manual mode and the auto mode. For manual mode, you can trigger the torch switch and welding. For auto mode, you can touch the car body and the power will come out automatically.